Denise and I, we're on the Falls News Trail, and we are heading from the Thornton Town entry to the Falls News Dam. Hi. Not that cold. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. Dingin'. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. Dingin'. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, baby. Oh, I just gotta know. And if I let you go, oh, baby, I just gotta. Right, so you got Denise and I here in Falls of the Neuse. We're at the terminal of the Falls of the Neuse Trail, which is kind of traverses North Raleigh, and so we are at the bottom of the dam. So you see the river over here behind me now, and just the base of the dam is right up through those trees.
Beautiful out here.
What's that?
Beautiful out here.
Yeah. So this is a typical fall weather here in North Carolina. You have you see all the leaves on the ground. There's a certain smell that you smell from the leaves. There's the weather is actually, this is great for like the end of November, almost December, right? So this is a nice Sunday, and you see that there's a lot of other people here walking dogs. Okay, this is the base of the dam of Falls of the Neuse. Got Denise and I. We got our bikes over there. As you can see, we got turbulent waters. It says it right here: danger, water subject to sudden rise and turbulence. So, hey, excuse me. You got your line and stuff. Yeah. All right, so here's the base of the dam. You see the water down there. Water coming through the little tunnel. You got people out there fishing. Must be good fishing. Got a bunch of people. Little kids. People up on the dam. We'll go up there next. Hi, sweetie. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Here we are at the Falls of the Neuse Dam, and This is at the top of the dam. Oh, who's that coming? Who's that coming? Oh, it is Sunisa. Oh, look at her. No legs. There she came, there she went. Right behind you. Catching up. All right. Oh, nice. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. All right. Oh, that's beautiful down here. Oh, snap. I didn't see the speed bump. You gotta warn me, sweetie. Where we came from, down there. Little walkway down there. We are at the end of the Falls of the Neuse Dam right here. That's DAMN. I'll be damned. Different, same, they call that common words that sound like synonym means same, similar, same meaning. Common means sounds the same, right? But different meanings. Still got you. Here, you take it. I don't know. So this is the visitor center. It is closed. Not sure if it's probably closed due to COVID, right? But on a Sunday it's closed, and we are here at the lake at Neuse River, or what's it called? Yeah, shows how to build a dam. Got Sunisa on the wall, and got the lake over here, and there's the dam. Got some people over there. Pretty cool. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I agree. Which way are we going? Straight? Wow, look at the river down there.
we have some tam from Thailand. Big bread from Hawaii and we sit down here and picnic. Some tam and
Okay. There's a couple of Thai restaurants around here. I don't know. Maybe they don't. Maybe North Carolinians. Maybe they don't know too much about big waves. You like apple cider? All right, here we go. Here we are. This is where we're going. This is where we've been.
see that go for picnic, right?
Yeah, it looks like it. Ugh. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, apparently. Woo! Just make it up to this top area up here. To this curve. You doing okay?
And in this area we call it mountain.
It's like a park.
Okay.
The county parks were pretty much stayed open, but the the Wake County parks, but the state parks closed.
Huh. Okay.
Oh, let me get a picture of you guys. Look,
Kenny taking a selfie of all of us.
all right, 1, 2, 3.
All right, we ready?
All right, yeah, I went for you guys.
All right, let's do it. Kick. All right, now you guys have a good one. All right, heading back. Got people fishing over there. Okay.
Everybody shake it, baby.
All right. Nice bike ride. Nice bike ride. As we
Everybody
make it
shake
back
it,
safely. Pedal, pedal.
baby.
Parking lot. Town. Little connector.
Everybody shake your baby.
Denise behind me. All right.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너.
This is pretty much our warm
난
down.
아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보면 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에.
Woo!
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린
And here we are, Thornton Town parking lot.
And
it's just a quick half mile back to my mom's house from here.
하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게
How many miles? About 15 miles on the
You was
Neuse
15
River
miles.
Trail.